Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder failed searching. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder failed searching, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Tinder. When you find this list, you will enter to for stop. You will click OK. Here we'll go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may makes error or problems on your phone, and you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.